Hello, this video we will show you some basic sewing tools for beginners. If you love sewing and quilting and ready to start this journey, with Kearing are happy to be here, giving you a list of basic set of sewing tools you can prepare in your study kit. So here, let's begin. The first one we are recommendation is the measuring tape. With both metric and imperial scales on each side, 1.5 meter is the best choice. And also the small one with keychain, very convenient to use, and you can put it easily in your pocket. The second one we are introducing here is the pattern notcher. It is used for punching holes on the paper. And these two, we are calling it the dentate tracer. They are with the same function, but the difference is the wheels here, the different needles. For example, tracing lines on the paper. We can see the needles here. And also the seam ripper, big size, small size, they are used for cutting the thread, the sewing thread during your sewing design, fashion design, everything. And here, these three are the fabric markers for short time marking from Kearing. We check the lines, blue line, pink, and also this type white lines. This one, the markings can be easily removed with water. And this one, its markings will auto-vanishing after roughly 12 or 24 hours. It can go away automatically. And this one, the white markings on black fabric, the markings can go away, disappear immediately by high temperature ironing. And this one, the tailor scissor, we recommend 9 inches size. I'm using it, very convenient. Check. Cutting, not only for paper, you can also use it to cut your fabric. Very easy to use. So here you can check all these sewing tools as a basic sewing tools in your study kit. They are our recommendation for your reference. Hope you like it. Thank you.